gotta go get the cookies for Santa. Okay? You wait with Daddy. Mommy will go get the cookies. Cookies for Santa. And a carrot for Rudolph. And some milk.
Wow.
Okay. We're gonna leave these out for Santa right by the tree. They're not for us. They're for Santa and Rudolph. What's Santa gonna do? Is he gonna fill up your stocking? Don't touch. Those are Santa's. That's for Rudolph. The carrot is for Rudolph. Leave it there. And the milk is for Santa. Who are those for? All right.
Cookie. Milk.
Who's it for?
Milk.
It's for Santa. Let's leave it. Okay? Because he's going to come tonight. Yep, it's a carrot for Rudolph.
Cookie.
All right, it's time to go to bed because Santa won't come if you're not asleep. He won't come over here if you're still awake.
Ollie, Ollie.
Like
Hey, Ollie,
creepy
Ollie,
cookie.
Ollie.
Ollie, look at Daddy.
Can you say Merry Christmas? Say Merry Christmas. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Me.
Merry Christmas?
Get it.
Can you say jingle jingle?
Nana.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Leave it alone, sweetie. It's for Santa. No more touching the cookies.
Cookie. Cookie. Mama. Daddy. Oh, Mac. And then
Who are those for?
creepy. Ma.
That's enough.
Hey, say Merry Christmas.
Me. We.
Say good night.
Nana. Good night.